Hello, my name is Danielle Marquez. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Hawthorne Youth Summer Clinics. On this episode, we're going to talk all about hardiness zones and seasonal plants. Now let's get started. How do you know what to plant? We have something called a hardiness zone. Hardiness zones break down climates, actually more or less microclimates. So in Southern California, where we are in Hawthorne, California, we are in hardiness zone 10B. What that means is that we actually have a really nice climate. We are coastal, we have a slight Mediterranean climate, which allows us to grow a variety of things. Our seasons can be extended and overlapped because of the fact that we get so much sun and because of our zone. Here I have a few different plants that grow well in our area. We are coming into late summer, early fall, and so what that means is that our seasons are changing. You are going to be able to plant a variety of different things. Because we are in hardiness zone 10B, we are able to, again, overlap our seasons a little bit. So some things that would grow really well over the summer will also still grow well over the fall. And some things that grow well over the fall will grow really well over the winter, which is really nice. So one of the things that we have is a blackberry. Blackberry is a great plant to be able to grow. It does get rather large. So one of the other things you want to consider along with climate is the spacing you have. So a blackberry is going to need a trellis. It's a support system for it to really grow and thrive. Another seasonal goodie is our bell peppers. Also, chilies are really a good seasonal variety to grow. Corn is a beautiful thing to be able to grow. We want to make sure that when we're planting corn, we grow it really close together. It actually pollinates itself. Herbs are another wonderful addition to your garden. This is a pineapple sage. It just is so fragrant. This needs a lot of sun. Ideally, all of your vegetable garden plants are going to need about 6 to 8 hours of sunlight, more on the 8 hours ideally. Coming into the fall, our cool weather crops. This is a mixed kale. You see the green and the beautiful purple coloring. Brassicas are a cool weather crop. That's like the cauliflower, broccoli, kale, cabbage, and they fare really well as we're moving into the fall. Well, that about wraps up this episode. My name is Danielle Marquez. Tune in next time where we talk about proper planting techniques.